Okay, so today we're going to talk about being in a proportional relationship. To be in a proportional relationship, two things must happen. So it must go through the origin. And it must be a straight line. Meaning that it has a constant rate of change. Okay, so we're going to look at those graphs below. Okay, so we're going to graph the coordinates from the table. So I think I'm going to use, there we go. Okay, so we can go 2, 6. So that would look like this, 2, 6. So on the x-axis, which is right here, we're going to go over 2. And on the y-axis, which is right here, we're going to go up 6. So over 2, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. And then over 4, up 8. And then over 6, up 10. And then we can go ahead and connect those. Try to use a straight edge or something, or draw the line as straight as you can. Okay, so we want to know if this has a proportional relationship. Well, it does have a constant rate of change because it's a straight line, but it's not going to go through 0, 0. So no, because it does not go through 0, 0. And you should be specific. It does not go through the origin, not just 0, 0. All right, let's look at the second one. You go ahead and graph those, and then we will look at the proportional relationship. Okay, so does this one have a proportional relationship? Well, yes, because it goes through origin. And has a constant rate of change. Okay. Let's go ahead and go to the next page. Okay. Now we'll look at the next problem. Go ahead and graph it, and then look and see whether you believe it's proportional or not. Okay, so there's the graph, and as long as your graph matches mine, we should be fine. This is not a proportional relationship because it does not go through 0, 0. It does not go through origin. Good. All right, go ahead and try the next one on your own, and then we will review it together. Okay, if you got what I got, we graphed it, and we made it a straight line, and we found that, yes, it would go through the origin, and it has a constant rate of change because it's a straight line. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the next two. I'll go over these with you. The graph of a proportional relationship goes through 10, 15, and 1, comma, y. Find y. Well, the way to find y there is to have this 10 be a 1. The way to make that 10 a 1 is do 15 divided by 10, and you do 15 divided by 10, you get 1.5. So y equals 1.5. Okay, let's try the same thing with the next one. So we want, again, the x to be 1. So we're going to do, this needs to be 1, so we're going to do 4 divided by 8, which equals 1/2. So y equals 1/2, or 0.5. Okay? All right, let's go ahead and go to the next page. Okay, so again, they're asking us, does the graph show a proportional relationship? So go ahead, let's do both of those, and then we'll check our answers together. Okay, on the first one, we found that it does not go through the origin, so it is not a proportional relationship. Go ahead and work through the second one. Okay, and on the last one, we found the same thing. Sorry about that. It goes through the origin and has a constant rate of change. So there we are. If you scroll down to the bottom, or if you go down to the bottom, you'll see your homework assignment, and it is right here. There is graph paper attached for problem number 5. It does not say in the book to graph it, but I want you to go ahead and graph it. Your homework will be on Classroom tomorrow, so you can check your answers. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.